bright object rises every morning? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. It's the sun! Hooray! Wonderful! Keep shining and keep learning. Which weather makes a beautiful rainbow appear? Let's think. 3, 2, 1. The answer is rain! Fantastic! You're super smart! Which planet has beautiful rings around it? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. It's Saturn! Amazing! Great job! Which cloud is fluffy like cotton? Time to guess. 3, 2, 1. It's the cumulus cloud. Wonderful! Excellent! Which season brings buzzing busy bees? Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. It's summer! Awesome! You're amazing! What sparkles across the sky at night? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. It's stars! Hooray! Fantastic! Keep learning.